Okay, so everyone's been talking about the gelatin trick for weight loss, and honestly, it's easy to see why. It's simple, it's affordable, and people are loving how it helps them stay on track without feeling miserable all day. Now, let's face it, guys, weight loss was never easy, right? Weight gain, sure, totally easy, but weight loss? Hard. You see, the idea behind the gelatin trick is surprisingly smart. Gelatin is packed with protein, and protein helps you feel fuller for longer. That means fewer random cravings, less late night snacking, and way less temptation to raid the kitchen every 2 hours. And when your appetite feels more under control, losing weight starts to feel a whole lot more easier. Now, a lot of people are now talking about this gelatin trick, and it's easy. You're going to be doing this gelatin trick with things you have in your homes. You're going to be starting to lose weight with just one simple daily routine. And why people love it? Well, it's easier than dieting. It's easier than having to close your mouths and eat properly, because the gelatin trick is something that you're going to incorporate into your daily routine that will make you stop those cravings, that will give you better appetite control, that will help you improve your metabolic rate, and at the same time, give you the energy without crashes, without jitters. So this whole gelatin trick for weight loss thing, it has gained a lot of attention because it works, because it's easy, because it's good for you. So if you guys want to get to know more more on the how of the gelatin trick, there's a link below this video, and make sure you don't miss out on that, okay? I know that weight loss is hard, but with the gelatin trick, it's easy. So don't miss out on this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.